मुझे जैसा लगा कि मेरी तबीयत कुछ खराब सी होने लगी और एकदम से कमजोरी लग रहा था, बस बैठ जाओ, कुछ आगे ना बढ़ो।
It started with a feeling no one should have to experience.
अगर मैं तुझे किसी इमरजेंसी में कॉल करूंगी तो क्या करेगा तू? उसी वक्त सब कुछ छोड़कर यहाँ आ जाएगा क्या?
A loved one, far away. A medical emergency and no single number to call. That helplessness, that gap, is exactly what Care 247 was built to fix. Because right now, when something happens at home, you call one place for a doctor, another for an ambulance, another for lab tests, and you end up managing everything yourself at the moment you can least afford to. Care 247 is India's 24/7 healthcare coordination service. From emergency response to home care to lab tests to follow-ups, we manage the entire journey. We didn't just build a service, we showed up in communities, at events, on ground, across India, connecting people to care that actually works. We are present across 40 plus Indian cities, a network of 4,000 plus verified doctors, trusted caregivers, and leading diagnostic partners. No matter where you are from, Care 247 is already there. But don't take our word for it. Here is what the families we work with say.
Hi Anamika. So yes, Mandakini has been working as a caregiver with my in-laws since almost 3 weeks now. I think she's doing a very good job and we would like to continue with her. We wanted somebody who can be there in case of an emergency. So we will retain her and we are overall very satisfied with her services. So thank you.
अभी मेरी सहेली ने मुझसे कहा विश्वास दिलाया करने कि तुम बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाओगे, ऐसी बात नहीं है। केयर 247 है जो कि हमेशा 24 घंटे सातों दिन आपकी केयर करता है। उसने फौरन ऑनलाइन डॉक्टर से बात करवाई। डॉक्टर ने मेरे सारे लक्षण पूछे, सिम्टम्स पूछे और फिर बिल्कुल अस्वस्थ होकर मुझसे दवाई में था। उनकी इस दवाई से और मेरी सहेली के आश्वासन देने से मेरा बहुत ठीक हो गई तबीयत।
Searching through the internet and I came across this company called Care 24/7 and they were very quick in terms of assigning, and the professional Ritik was assigned and he was highly professional and was very kind as well as caring. He ensured that the injections were given on timely basis as well as without pain. I'm very happy with this service and I wish more and more people opt their services.
That's the experience we deliver every time for every family. And we have 3 ways to be there for your family: essential, ease, esteem. 3 plans. Call us and our care coordinator will guide you and help you find what's right for your family. So the next time something happens, you will not panic. You will not search. You will not manage it alone. Because you already know Care 247 is handling it. Available 24 hours, 7 days across India. One call. That's all it takes. And here's our promise to you. If we don't deliver, you get 100% of your money back. Every rupee, no questions asked. Call us. Join us. We'll be there.